To install the Phantom Wallet mobile app, follow these steps. First, open the App Store on your mobile device. This could be the Apple App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Next, search for Phantom Wallet in the search bar and select the correct result from the search list. Make sure to verify the authenticity of the app by checking the developer's name in the app's reviews. Once you have located the correct app, click the Install button to begin the download and installation process. Depending on your device's internet connection speed, this process should only take a few seconds. After the installation is complete, locate the Phantom Wallet app on your device and open it. You will be presented with a startup screen that asks you to create a new wallet or restore an existing one. If you are a new user, select the Create a New Wallet option and follow the on-screen instructions to generate a recovery phrase. It is crucial to store your recovery phrase in a safe and secure location, as it will be used to recover your wallet in case you lose access to your device. The recovery phrase is a list of words that must be kept confidential to prevent unauthorized access to your wallet. Once you have generated and stored your recovery phrase, you can set up your wallet's password and other security features. Phantom Wallet also offers additional security measures such as two-factor authentication and biometric login, which can be enabled to provide an extra layer of protection for your wallet. After completing the setup process, you can start using your Phantom Wallet to send, receive, and store digital assets. The app's user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate and manage your digital assets. Always remember to keep your recovery phrase and wallet password confidential to ensure the security of your digital assets.